Hi! In front of me is LENOVO Tab Extreme, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Photos app and clicking on Photos at the top left corner. Then hold one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of and tap on this type of dot at the top left corner. You can click on the same ones in all of those sections. Now to exclude some of your pictures that you wish to keep, tap on the chosen ones. And then to delete the rest, use this bin next to the shopping cart at the top right corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-ups. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!